Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to review the new OMRON BP652 blood pressure monitor. That's once again BP652. So let's get started and see what we have here. The unit comes in a nice little carrying case, which you can open and store it in that. And it also comes with a couple of AAA batteries. Now these AAA batteries are not the original one, but they come with similar batteries. The first thing you need to do obviously is to put in the batteries. To put the batteries in, you have to open this like that. You apply pressure like this. So basically there is a little notch. That little notch needs to open. The batteries go in this way. The spring is for negative, the other side is for positive. So the flat end goes to the spring, just like any other battery. Same on this one. Now you have to slide this back in and snap it in, like that. This unit is now ready. Before we move forward and take a blood pressure, we have to set the time. To set the time, do not press any of these buttons. Leave it off, press this right here. When you press this button right here, where it has a little image of a clock, you get the time functionality. Now it's 2020, so you have to go to 2020. Press that again. Which month it is right now? Right now it's September. Okay. Now we choose a date. Every time I switch, I press the clock again to move into the next field. Today is the 19th. To change, I'm pressing this. To move forward to different fields, I'm pressing this. Okay, so that's 19th. Now I'm going to press this again. It's the time. What time is it right now? It's 9:46 p.m. So I'm going to choose this, so until the AM becomes PM. So now I go to 9. Let's see, so we have 9. We go forward and we go press it down so it can move faster for you. So I simply have this button pressing down. So actually if you press it manually, it's faster than it automatically moving forward. So now I have to choose 47 because that already changed from 46 to 47. And I press the clock again, and there you have it. The time is set and the puppy is ready to operate. Now to measure your blood pressure, what you have to do is open it and then use it this way, so the start is correct way, so you can read the start and all the display. Basically it should be in your direction like this. This is the right way. Do not put it this way. This is wrong. Okay, so put it the right way. Okay, so once you have it set up and everything, like half an inch from here and nice and tight, not too tight to suffocate the blood flow, but you know, enough tight. Now we have to make sure it's leveled. You cannot take your blood pressure as your arm is resting on the table because your heart elevation is higher. So you have to kind of elevate your arm to the level of your heart. There is an indicator light that shows you when that happens. So to do that, I first turn it on, and there you go. There, that is the indicator that shows me. The blue light means I'm in good elevation level. You have to hold on. This is ultra quiet. Okay, so my blood pressure is 131/88. Now this is not a dream come true blood pressure, it's a little high, but since I was talking and I wasn't relaxing, so I take that as a positive result. And this is my reading. This is the systolic, this is the pulse, and this is diastolic, and this shows the range. This right here shows the range. This is where you could store it, your previous readings that has been stored, or if you want to see the other ones, and so on. So basically this is the storage. You press it and all the readings that are stored. Now see, notice some don't have the time because those readings didn't have the time correctly, and this is a wrong reading because the hand wasn't at the right elevation. So the ones that have the date and time, that's the readings that took place after the clock was set. So that's more reliable because it gives you like a picture of your blood pressure history exactly by date and time. So if you don't set the date and time, it's you know, incorrect reading. So yeah, that's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. And to remove it, to turn it off, you press this again, it goes off. And then to remove it, you just take it out like this. Let me zoom out so you can see. Like that, to remove it, and you can store it back in the little case. And there's instructions on how to do it there as well. Anyways, that was pretty simple. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.